Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on autocorrect misspelled word on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on autocorrect misspelled word on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Devices. In left pane, click on Typing. Here in Typing, you will find a spelling and first option is autocorrect misspelled word. And now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now autocorrect misspelled word on Windows 10 computer is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.